children's
Pogi ni Stel may...
I love the strangling. I wish I could do it too. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Forever Here. I hope that you are all doing well. I did know that they went live. Obviously, I missed it because, hello, it's me. But I'm really surprised. It's really short. Everybody's been raving about this IG live, and I honestly thought it was like an hour. It's 16 minutes. Yes, I'm moaning. I was really disappointed when I saw that it was only 16 minutes, but obviously, it's jam-packed with personality and chaos. Bring me. If you were to have a look at the description below, you will see a link to the original upload. A big massive thank you to the YouTube account that is Soleil for uploading so quickly and for subbing it. It's lightning quick, and I'm really, really grateful. So, the reason why SB19 did an IG live is to celebrate the huge milestone that is 100 million views on the Mappa lyric video. This is just absolutely fantastic, and this is the beginning of many more of these. I hope that all of their music videos get to huge, disgustingly huge heights. And I think that if any song was going to do it first, of course it was going to be Mappa, because it's not just a song, it's not just a dedication. This song is way above that. It transcends any barrier known to man, and it is now a movement for loving, supporting, and giving back to our parents and caregivers. And I'm really looking forward to watching this. Won't you watch it with me, please? Please, please.
Your legs don't
I love it when they're all squished together.
Parang naging ganun din si Mappa. Parang thinking out loud. Tapos mga bata kinakanta yung Mappa. Nakakatuwa rin naman kasi syempre yung meaning naman ng Mappa, di ba? Para sa mga magulang. Hindi naman siya basta-basta.
Binago talaga ng Mappa ang ano natin.
Syempre,
dati Justin lang tawag sa akin, latara-tara na ngayon.
Saka ano siya, matinding milestone natin na, di ba? Parang isa sa mga pinaka siguro ina-expect pero unexpected pa rin. Kasi si Pablo parang iniisip niya talaga nung time, di ba? Naniniwala siya dun sa song na yun. Ako medyo
hindi.
Iniisip ko kasi, before, pag walang music video, baka mahirapan na manood, di ba? Pag-boom. Pero nung time na yun, gulat na lang tayo. Iba na yung response ng tao, tsaka yung...
Because the message is very universal.
Sabi, buti daw di tayo tinawag ng Lata Boys. Lata Boys.
Pwede naman.
Lata rin. Eh, ganun kami.
I'm loving this energy, Josh.
Powerful talaga ang music. Hindi mo masasabi kung ano yung magugustuhan ng mga tao. Pero maganda nga nagustuhan nila yung music kasi syempre yun nga, positive naman yung message nila.
Yes. Absolutely.
Our parents, of course.
Yes.
Naalala ko pa, nasaan na tayo sa kondo.
Nasa kondo yun.
Niluto kami ng itlog sa banyo.
Naglalaba ako noon, Naglalaba ako noon. Tapos sabi,
cooking eggs in the bathroom?
Nasa kondo yun.
Niluto kami ng itlog sa banyo.
That is gross.
Naglalaba ako noon, Naglalaba ako noon. Sabay-sabay kayo noon. Tapos sabi mo, anong gusto mo sabihin sa nanay mo?
Nanay mo, nagtatanong ka bigla ba naglalaba?
Pero
pandemic na ba yun?
Oo, pandemic na. Hindi, ano pa yun? Before pandemic, oo.
Pero meron na
nag-i-start na.
Kumakalat na yung...
Hindi pa.
Wala lang pa sa Pilipinas.
Parang
meron na ba nung... Nararamdaman ko wala pa kasi yun yung mga panahon lang na... Hindi, yun yung mga panahon na dire-diretso yung event natin tapos di tayo nakaka-uwi.
Oo nga.
Pero tapos bago pa nun, after pa nun, tsaka pa pumunta.
Look at them like all squished in, leaning on one another.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa, may konti pa tayo sa Mandaluyong.
Pero nagsama-sama tayo sa Leon dun saan? Oo, nung na-COVID tayo. Bawal sabihin yung COVID eh. Ano ba? Ewan ko, dati yun yan sinasabi.
Tapos na naman.
Tapos naman, totoo naman yung na-COVID na.
Alam nyo, meron ako.
Totoo naman yun.
Noong time na yun, nag-livestream ako, tapos umuubo ako, minumute ko lang. Tapos unmute ulit.
Totoo naman eh, nung time na yun, nagka-COVID tayo.
nagka-COVID?
Maraming beses.
Maraming beses.
Kaya, ready to mention. Parang kapat.
Kaya ano rin yun eh, ang dami naming mga nahintong mga event, mga schedules. Puro kami vaccine.
Mag-aaway pa kayo nun eh una. Tapos kayo yung...
Kapares kami ng
positive, tapos yabang pa namin, no?
Ay, may showcase na ba?
Oo, yung showcase lang
Yeah.
first.
Nag-RT-PCR
Yung ano yung kami... totoo naman yan.
Tapos
Totoo yun.
nag-RT-PCR tayo, jackpot pala. Di wala.
We suddenly went to all of these stories.
Sabi pa nila, ala, masama na pakiramdam ni Ja tsaka ni Stel. Nilagay kami sa likod. Para daw kami daw may sakit, lagay kami sa likod. Tapos sabi nila, orderan nyo ng masarap na pagkain para kumain naman masarap yung mga may sakit. Ending, kami 5 yung kumain ng masarap. Kasi kami hindi mo may sakit.
Selfie muna bago mag-positive.
Pero seryoso, yung what yun.
Tsaka big deal yun pag positive ka natin.
They've been through so much together.
Ang laki ng event natin.
Hindi mo tayo pwede sabihin kahit kanino eh.
Showcase yun. Pero nakakakaba rin yung time nun kasi syempre pandemic nga hindi natin naasahan yung mangyayari. Tapos blessing din yung mapa na talagang nabuhay tayo kahit na buhay tayo kasi hindi dahil sa sakit. Parang
Gosh, that was dramatic.
Continuous pa rin yung career namin kahit na wala kami event.
Yeah.
Swerte tayo dun. Anyway, ang dami nagawa ng mapa.
Isang buwan ako inubudot niya.
Tapos after
Tsaka ang daming mga kumakanta na mga artist. Ang daming mga naka-appreciate nung song na mapa.
even sa ibang bansa meron
foreigners. Kahit foreigners, di nila
kahit Tagalog, kinakanta nila ng Tagalog.
Ang galing nga, no? Diba? 2021, my God.
Yeah.
100. So ngayon, 100 million views na ang mapa.
We want to... Ano gusto natin gawin?
So, nagpasalamat.
Gusto natin magpasalamat and...
Paano ba?
Give back. So, we want to ask your suggestions kung anong pwedeng gawin to give back.
Really?
To celebrate
the 100 million
Wow.
listeners and views for the lyric video.
So, yung po napagdesisyonan ng aming team that since sobrang laki na ni Mapa and sobrang laki na naitulong niya sa aming life, we want to give back.
Wait lang. Sa pamimigay na sasakyan na Justin.
Wait lang, nanonood si Chang Ami.
The what?
Opo. Oo. Hello po, Chang Ami.
Hello po, Chang Ami.
Sabi niya, sabi ni Chang Ami, favorite niya daw yung mapa. Thank you po, Chang Ami. Thank you po. Oo nga, si Chang. Ano, bubulong ka pa? Kita mo? Ha? Si Chang Ami nga to. Ang Chang ng buong bayan. Ayan, sabi ni Chang Ami, favorite ko ang mapa. Thank you, Chang Ami. Sana po ma-meet po ulit namin kayo next time. Ayun na, tuloy mo na yung kwento mo.
Ayun po, just like what we were doing.
I'm sorry, but look at the way Ken has like squished his little face inside his hoodie. This is the little egg behind 7 Sins that is driving me insane. Every single day that I am alive, that little egg is behind that.
Before nagsisimula pa lang kami, meron kaming mga projects to give back. So
honestly, this is such an SB19 thing to do, and this is a huge reason as to why we all love them, isn't it?
Opo, ako nga. Yes po, Chang Ami. Thank you po.
To celebrate the 100 million views. Pero
stop charming everyone.
Paano namin gagawin yung project?
Mag-give back. Mag-give back.
To give back. So, we ask for your suggestions.
Awesome.
If you
what sort of things do they want to do though? Like,
pwede kayo mag-comment kung anong pwede nyo masuggest na pwede namin gawin to give back. Yeah. And then,
so look so handsome.
Or you can also
tweet.
Pwede ba nila or mag-post or
tweet nyo rin po para
remember nung nag-guest pa kayo sa Umagang Kay Ganda dati. Opo, Chang Ami, grabe po.
Umaga nun, no?
Opo,
kay ganda rin malilimutan yun.
Naalala po namin yung Chang Ami. Yung po yung unang performance, yung shoes mo natanggal. Opo, Chang Ami, naalala po namin yun.
Oh, okay, I know what they're talking about now.
Natanggal yung sapatos niya, tumalis siya.
Natanggal yung ko'y palaman ko.
Pero, would you never know.
On Venus kay Chang Ami, nanonood siya ng live natin. Thank you, Chang Ami. Maraming salamat po. So yun na nga, balik tayo dun sa usapan.
Tingin tayo ng comments, suggestions.
Mag-suggest kayo ng mga pwede nyo...
Nasunugan daw sila.
Naluluto.
Kala ko sila yung nasunugan.
So tingin nyo ano yung pwede namin gawin na activity or pwede namin gawin na isang bagay para makapag-give back kami na
Yung yung medyo realistic naman po.
Yeah, please set the boundaries.
Yung mga ginawa, sample po yung mga ginawa namin before. Yung sa
May mga bata, tapos yung inaasal nyo ko gano'n ako sa lagot.
Yung mga naka-t-shirt tayo na.
Kasi nag-charity naman talaga.
Sabi niya, show break daw with your mapas.
Ever since
give back guys, give
kahit
back.
Hindi pa na kami na-discover as sa Go Up nun talaga nag-charity na po kami. And tapos
maybe like do something for an old people's home or
parang mini shows namin, nagbibigay po
like
kami
to those people that don't have anyone to take care of them.
Charity drive, sabi.
Ayan, charity drive.
School supplies for the kids. Sakto.
School supplies.
School supplies.
Tayo nakapagpa...
Ano yung charity drive? Magna-drive na?
Ako, bilag.
Oo nga, pero dati nga namigay din tayo. Oo, namigay tayo ng scholarship. Tapos nagpunta tayo sa Batangas.
Hindi ako nasama doon, may sakit. May tatlo lang kayo na eh.
Tapos nag-boodle fight kami, namigay kami ng bigas.
Oo. Tayong dalawa may sakit.
Medyo, ngayon,
magaling ka lang salita. Ang nonchalant ka.
He always is.
Ano yung mapa?
Oh no.
Sorry.
Munti ko nahihilo.
So ngayon,
School tour daw, school tour.
Talagang
Why are you feeling dizzy still?
school tour sa mga schools. Oh, sige.
Kung sinabi mo school tour, pwede siya sa office.
Pero ayun nga, maganda yun. Charity drives or something na pwede namin i-sustain kasi for the long
Still should have something to eat. Like to raise his blood sugar levels or something.
Hindi na sila bibili ng school supplies.
Ayan, pwede rin no, sa home for the aged or sa ibang mga elderly. Pwede rin. Pet supplies for abandoned for parents.
Uy, ang dami ha. Pwede nga.
Madami, maganda. Oo nga.
Sa post, ayan, nung birthday ko last
Visit or orphanage kasi wala silang mapa. Ay, oo nga. Maganda idea.
I like this. Orphanage or something
for a day tayo magsilbing parents.
the elderly.
For a month?
Mapa for a day.
For a day lang sabi ko. Grabe yung for a month. Paano yung career natin? After natin mag-give back, wala na tayong mag-give sa iba. Last na yun.
Alright, moody
Stray dogs
still.
feeding. Pwede rin yun.
Wala na lang ang dali.
That's exactly what I thought of.
Kasi Ken pala yung papakainin. Yung kanta mo pala yung papakainin. Community service. Uy, maganda yun yung magwalis-walis sa kalsada. Sa umaga, pag di pa traffic. Huwag lang traffic.
Oo nga, sa EDSA, nagbibigay ka.
Uy, maganda rin to. Beach Children's Mapa for a day. Ayun nga, yung maging parents.
Yeah, but it's too fun. I know, I would really love to see that though. What?
Children's Mapa for a day. Ayun nga, yung maging parents.
Be children's mapa for a day.
Pogi ni Stel may...
I love the strangling. I wish I could do it too.
Ngayon lang, hindi ba lagi? Ayusin ang mapa ng West Philippine Sea.
Ginasa mo pa talaga.
Bakit? Ano siya eh? Comment siya eh. Tsaka guys, ano tayo?
Philippines eh.
About the Philippines. Let's be, the Filipinos' voice. Anyway. Ano ba?
I-calculate namin lahat ng mga suggestions nyo.
Tapos,
maybe we can announce soon kung ano
Ayan,
yung possible.
sabi ni Chang Ami, date with elderly.
Yes. This is before somebody else steals my idea. This is my idea. So obviously, I like the orphanage idea because there are people there, especially because it connects with the idea of Mapa. I think that people like children that are in an orphanage do not have that Mapa figure. But also, I thought about the elderly because I would like to be positive and think that children growing up in the orphanage still have time to change their lives. Okay, but the elderly who perhaps have been abandoned, dumped by their children, or their children due to circumstances passed away or don't live near them, those elderly that have nobody, it would be really nice, like, the boys take them on a date or something and, like, just go and have a meal with them, take them on an evening out, like, perhaps they live in a home all by themselves, they don't interact with very many people, and how lovely would it be to have these bright 5 boys go in and take them out for a meal, take them dancing, sing for them, something really wonderful like that.
Opo, market ko po yun.
Unahin natin si Chang Ami.
Uy, grabe naman kayo. Parang yan yung sinabing ano.
Ay, ito po.
Alam niyo kung makakasama ko talaga.
Hindi talaga tayo na...
Pero yung naman, i-collect na lang natin. Tapos kung ano yung i-announce na natin.
Ayan, tumawa tuloy si Chang Ami. Sabi niya, ha 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 ha. Visit a local nursing home. Oh, pwede. Mamigay ng food sa mga bata sa lansangan. Actually, ginagawa na namin siya minsan. Tama ba? Sinabi ko ba yun? Di yung mga seniors parents i-bonding nyo with the date. Oh, yung mga seniors na yung mga...
Kung talaga Justin.
Kung like parents lang eh.
Ayun, gano'n na lang. Collate natin kung ano yung possible.
Kahit tumawa ka daw. Tumawa ka daw nang walang dahilan.
Just laughs like a madman.
Gusto nila. So anyways, lahat ng mga suggestions nyo maganda. So i-collectahin namin. Tapos, pagboboto-botohan namin kung ano yung pinakakaya namin gawin.
And siguro, it's something din na gusto namin ibalik talaga.
Yeah.
Regularly, hindi naman siguro araw-araw.
O ito, ang dami niya. What if hati-hati kayo ng community service? Help elder house, help school cleaning, food feeding sa school na need community service, give food to public need what? Need water or safe.
Maganda nga yun sa schools.
Ano ba naman yung isang araw sa isang buwan, di ba?
Ikaw doon pre.
Ikaw naman talaga eh. Ikaw naman talaga. Ikaw nga yun.
Uy,
I like your positivity and hopefulness, Pablo.
Paano tayo, yung parang magturo tayo sa mga bata ng performance, pagkanta.
Di ba ginawa ni Diyos yung nagbasa ka sa mga bata?
Oo, nagpabasa ako. Masaya din ako magbabasa sa mga bata.
Oh, totoo nga, sabi ni Changami, kasi may ibang parents sa orphanage na hindi nabivisit ng mga anak. So, pwedeng baliktad. Pwedeng tayo naman yung bibisit sa mga home for the aged kasi nga yung iba doon hindi na nabibisita ng mga anak.
Please do this.
Tapos magbibingo tayo.
Ano na kung sa ganon? Birthday ko rin.
Hindi, usual kasi ginagawa nila bingo eh.
Yung tatay ko.
So, opo, magandang idea po yun.
May sinasabi si
Josh, what are you saying? Josh, Cullen.
Puntahan daw natin.
Pwede naman, kung gusto mo.
Hindi ko pa na-meet yun.
Oh, ayun.
Sakto.
Invite mo sa pan-meet.
Daddy.
Ano si Rahul? Pag na-meet mo siya, anong
I really don't want to laugh.
Piling ko, Papa. Papa, kamusta ka na?
Papa.
I honestly feel guilty for laughing.
Suggestions na.
Ang dark naman nun, Diyos, sabi.
Oo.
Kasi time.
Hindi naman, ano yun?
Ha?
Ano tayo dito? We have to make everything a little bit.
Say hi if you notice me.
So, ayun, lahat po ng mga suggestion nyo maganda. So, pwedeng...
Maraming salamat po.
And salamat po kay Chang Ami na nag-suggest po. Nakatutok talaga si Chang Ami. Thank you, Chang Ami.
Salamat po sa pagsama nyo ngayon sa live namin.
So I was really blown away by that person's involvement in the live.
We have achieved 100 billion views ng mapa. Patuloy nyo po i-share yung music. Dahil isa po talaga yan sa mga mensahe na gusto namin iparating sa lahat ng mga tao na sumusubaybay po sa grupo namin. And
Josh?
Maraming salamat po.
Are you a sniper?
Siguro po mag-update po kami patungkol dun sa mga charity drives or kung ano man plans namin in the future. If you want to help as well, baka pwede po natin siyang gawin. Pagtulungan natin siya together.
Cutie style.
And po, maraming salamat po sa pagsubaybay ngayon.
Yeah. Tinatapos mo na ba?
It sounds like it.
Nagpapasa kasi ako. Ang dami kasi na suggestion no, mga tulungan din tayo mga single parents, mga ganun.
That's a good
Community service, tas ang title daw, Ilaw Donation Drive. Yung mga lugar na walang kuryente. Puntahan natin, mga ganun. So yun, maraming salamat po sa mga suggestion nyo.
Salamat po.
Pwede namin siya gawin lahat, kung kaya. But ayun po again, thank you so much po. And congratulations again! 1 million views ang mapa! Thank you. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nanood ng live ngayon, kahit biglaan. So yeah, thank you so much guys. We really miss you. Malapit na po tayo magkita. So ayun po, see you soon. Thank you. Pahinga na po kayo. Good night. Good night everyone. Thank you so much.
We love you.
Thank you. Keep on streaming SB19.
Good night.
Good night. Thank you po. Good night.
I love it. I mean, obviously, I can't see the live comments running through, so I don't know what the other suggestions were. But it seems like, yeah, obviously, we kind of all think alike of what we think the boys should do. And I love this idea. This is so SB19, and I really look forward to seeing how they're going to go out and do it, and how they're going to show us what they've done as well, because they're just so incredibly special. This is such a huge part of why I love SB19, because they do always think about giving back. And when this started, that's really not what I expected, but coming out of it, I'm like, of course it is. And I really hope that they pick something more to do with the elderly. I don't know why, like recently I've got such a soft spot for this sort of a cause, and I would really love that. Like, I'm just imagining my future, because if I don't get married or have kids, I'm going to be like 80 years old, you know, taking my last breaths in an old people's home all by myself. And there's going to be no one to visit me. Yes, obviously, my next door neighbours are going to be my best friends, because we have already pre-planned that. But how lovely would it be to have fresh, light energy come in to an old people's home? And I just imagine like being elderly, being completely alone, and then young, beautiful boys like coming in tuxedos and like getting you all dressed up and then taking you out for a meal and dancing. Like, that would be my absolute dream. So I'm just imagining, like, I would really love them to do something like that. But whatever they do, they are just so fantastic, and I'm just so proud to be an 18. Every single day I'm so proud to be an 18. If it's not for the kind of music that they put out, because it connects to us, it's also because of their good deeds. And yeah, just so wonderful. Chaos as well, but also so wonderful. I look forward to seeing what they're going to do, and do drop me a comment to tell me whether, like, what you suggested and what your thoughts are on this. And we've seen them do it previously in vlogs, whether it's as a group or individually, you know, whether it's them that organised it or whether it's a fan club that's organised it. We've seen them get involved in all sorts of charities and events and fundraising and like giving back to the community, giving back to the Philippines. And it really goes part and parcel with everything that they have gone out to do, and that is to raise the standard of the Philippines and to better the country and give back to the country. So I hope that whatever they do, it is a success and it goes super, super smoothly. Thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope that you had fun. And until I see you next time, take care. Stay safe. Bye.